Dr. Subarna Goswami, Additional General Secretary, All India Federation of Government Doctors Associations.
Are you supporting today's meeting at the CM House? Are you supporting this meeting?
We want this stalemate situation to be ended as soon as possible, but it is for the government's rigid attitude to live streaming and videography and documentation all, uh, because for which the meeting could not be held in the past 2 days. But today we want there should be a meeting definitely, but that meeting should be held in a transparent ambience, taking the junior doctors into confidence, so that they can voice their demands properly, and the government's response must be, documented. That should be documented either in videography or in live streaming, whatever. Why is the government afraid of facing the junior doctors on live streaming?
And what is your main demand?
Our main demand is to proper timely and proper justice of Abhaya or Tiloktama, whatever, in whatever name you can call her. Not only the actual perpetrators, the rapists and the killers, but also those who tried to cover up, those who tried to, tamper the evidence and misdirect the entire investigative process. So you have to, and the syndicate, this criminal nexus of the few doctors, those are very close to the current ruling political dispensation. They hire health officials and the police officials. Those are involved, who have in full connivance with these incidents. So you have to take all them to task.
CBI also inquiry of this case, so are you satisfied with that?
Pardon me?
CBI also inquiry of this case.
Yes, we are not satisfied with the CBI inquiry so far, because they have to pace up their investigation, and they have to take under scanner all these persons. The names have already come into broad daylight. There are many viral videos and audios, and there are many proofs who are involved in tampering the evidences, in covering up the incidents. So they have to take all them to